Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arranging number from smallest to biggest, and descending order means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Here example is given. Arrange the following number in ascending and descending order. Say 123, 159, 621, 395 and 128. So here from these 5 digits we have written here in the ascending and descending both the orders. Here ascending means we have to write from small to big. So which is the smallest number here? So we have to check the first digit here. 7 is there, 1 is there, 6 is there, 3 is there and 1 is there. So here first digit is 1. Here also at the place of 100 1 is there. So we have to check for the second digit at the place of tens. So here it is 5 and here it is 2. So 2 is less than 5. So we have to write this first letter. 128 is less. So we have written here first 128. After that we have to write 159. 1 after we have to check 2 is there. No. 3, yes, here it is 3. So we have written 395 here at the place of third blanks. 3 after 4 is there. No. 5, no. 6, yes. So we have written 621. And here 621 after 7. So to 723. So in last we have written 723. And in descending order from back to front we have to come. So 723 we have to write first. 621 we have to write first. Here this 159 here and last 128 small. Means in ascending order we have to write from small to big, and in descending order big to small. In the same way you have to follow this. You write the number in ascending and descending. This way you have to follow and you have to fill these two exercise. Even though I am showing again 2 is there, 7, 6, 3 and 9. So 1 is not there. So first we have to write 200. 2 after 3 is there. Yes, 3 is there. So we have to write 300. 3 after 4 is there. No, not there. 5 is there. Not there. 6. So we have to write here 600. 700. 800 is also not there. So directly we have to write here 900. In the same way here 175, 4, 5, 6 and 2. So 1 first is 175. So we have written here 175. Then we have to check for the 2. 2 is there. Yes, first digit is 2. So 2. Any other is there? No. So only 2 is there. So 243. Then 3 digit is there. Third? No. 4. Yes, 427. Then 529 and 618. Now we have to go for big to small. Big to small means descending order. Which is the biggest number? First digit you have to check. 6 is there, 5, 4, 8 and 7. So 8 is the biggest number. So we will write 819. 8 after small, 8 less than small. So 725. Then 7 less than 6. So 620. 7, 6 after 5, so 529, 450. In the same way 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, everywhere it is 5. Now what we have to do? So see, 5, easy way I am showing, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, everywhere it is 5. Now you have to check that. As I told you that biggest number, big to small. So which is the biggest? 6, 5, 8, 9, 1. So which is the big? 90, obviously 9. So we have to write here first 90, 90. 9 after 8. So 8 is there. So 980. 8 after which is the smallest number? 8. 6. So we have to write here 60. 60 after 50, so 550, and in last 510. Fine, understand this? Now forming greatest and smallest 3-digit number. So first we have to here given largest number and smallest number. Take the digit 1, 4 and 7. Let us form all possible 3 digits number using these digits without representing any digit. 147, 174, 417, 471, 714 and 741. So the smallest number form is 147. Which is the smallest number? 147, and biggest 141. Remember, 0 is not written in the hundreds place of a 3-digit number. Now here 562 is given. So which is the biggest number here? 6 is big, so we have written 6 first. Then small 5, so written 5, and 2 is last. Okay. Then smallest means we have to write the inverse. 2, 5 and 6. 2, 5 and 6. So we have already this solved. Now here 4, 3 and 8. So which is the biggest? 8. Then small than 8 is 4 and less small than 3. So 8, 4 and 3. So here it will come 8, 4 and 3. In the same way we have to write for the smallest. So smallest is 3, 4 and 8. So we will write here 3, 4 and 8. 7, 1, 6. So 7 is biggest, less than that 6 and 1. So 761, and here we have to write 167. Ulta jana hai, 1, 6 and 7. Now 805 is there. So we don't have to, here I had told you that 0 is not written in the hundreds place of a 3-digit number. So what we have to write? Biggest number is 8. So we have to write 8, then 5 and 0. And here 0 we don't have to write first at the place of 100. So what we will write first? 580. Here 915 is there. So 9 is biggest, less than that 5 and less than that 1. So 159. Now we have to circle the largest number. Which is the largest number in that? So we have to check that largest and circle the smallest. So smallest is here 300, and which largest is, see here I have given and here it is. Don't confuse, all the numbers are, if you will see, then all are looking equal. So what you have to check? That largest first digit you have to check. This digit is 1, here it is 7, here it is 9, and here it is 7. So 7, 7 both are same, so don't confuse. I had told you that largest number, so first you have to check the which is the largest number at the place of 100, 100, 100 and 100. So 9 is biggest, so this is the right answer. The remaining one you have to remove. So 917 is the largest number.